Hey guys, welcome to our guided meditation. If you can find a nice quiet spot to sit or lay down, if you can take your shoes off, we're just taking ours off now. If you can put your feet in some dirt, even better, but it doesn't really matter where you are, even if you're in an office, it's all good. What's important is once you find your spot, if you can place your palms towards the sky, so when you place them on your lap, you have them facing up. As we're bringing in new energy, we want it to feel cyclic so that it has somewhere to go. We don't want to put our palms down as it closes off our energy. Okay, open energy. I want you to close your eyes. We'd like to start this by giving thanks to all the people that are currently working on the front lines, helping during this time. Alright, I'm going to start with 3 deep breaths. The first for our mind, breathe in, breathe out. 1 for our body, in and out. 1 for our spirit, in and out. Feel that fresh oxygen filling up your lungs, purifying your body, your thoughts, your mind, your spirit. Now imagine a brilliant diamond-shaped light above your head, and the energy of a golden white light flowing down through the top of your crown chakra, the top of your head, down towards the base of your spine, through each of your chakra meridians, filling up each cell in your body as it passes through your veins, your cells, your limbs, filling with this beautiful golden light. And as this light is flowing through your body, I want you to relax from your toes to your head. Imagine relaxing your toes, your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your buttocks, your abdomen, your breasts, your back, your chest, your shoulders, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists. Relax your hands, your fingertips, your knuckles, your nails. Relax your neck. Relax your jaw, your mouth, your tongue, your teeth, your lips. Relax your cheeks. Relax your eyes, your eyelashes, your eyeballs. Relax your brow. Relax your ears. Relax your forehead. Relax your scalp and your head. Feel what it feels like for your body to be entirely relaxed right now, sinking into the earth and grounding down. Now I want you to know that your guardian angels right now are with you. Everybody has guardian angels, and that they are always there for you to call upon. They're there to protect you, and they want you to know that everything is going to be okay. These might be your ancestors, souls that have passed, of animals that you have loved, or people you have loved, and they are there with you, and they're always there to comfort you or provide light when you need it. They are also a part of this energy source that is running through you. If you ever need any help, please call on them, because they love you and they're here for you. Now I want you to imagine or remember a time when you felt the most you, when you felt the most revitalized in your body and healed, excited about life. It could have been when you were a child, Could have been when you're a teenager, 15, 18. Could be now in your 30s, 40s, 50s, whatever age you are. Whenever you felt the most you. Now I want you to imagine this light running through you, revitalizing every cell in your body to that age that you felt the most revitalized. You have the power within you to heal your body. And right now, through that ability, you will transform the cells in your body back to that age that you felt the most you. Our thoughts manifest our reality. And if you will to heal yourself in this moment, to bring peace to your body and love to the universe, it shall be. So we're going to end with 3 deep breaths as our bodies and cells are going back to that time when you felt the most you. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out the anxieties of the world. Breathe in new oxygen. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out. Take this time to feel how it feels to have each meridian nourished, your chakras aligned, your cells and body healed to a time in your life. Your angels surrounding you, and know that everything is going to be okay. Now slowly, when you feel ready, come back into your body. Open your eyes. Move your hands, slowly moving your hands. And get the circulation moving back in. It's natural to feel a little bit lightheaded. You're just coming back into your body. You've taken in a lot of fresh oxygen, so you might be a little bit lightheaded. But here we are, we're back here. We want to say thank you for honoring yourself during this time. It's very important that we all contribute to the peace of the universe right now. Things might not feel within our control, but you have the ability to be able to relax yourself, and that's incredibly important at this time. So we're so proud of you. Thank you for joining us. This was just a little channeled moment. We just do this for ourselves. This is the first time we're sharing something like this with all of you. So thank you for being here. We love you. And namaste.
Namaste.
Remember
Thank
to
you, Jessie.
continue to honor yourself. Love you guys.